y'all, it's a super hot day in Texas. I wanted to bring y'all a quick video because I made some frozen watermelon lemonade today. I have a watermelon here that is halfway out the door, honey. You can use regular sugar. I'm using monk fruit sweetener. It's a bit healthier. And so I have lemons and limes, and I have mint. I only have 2 and 2 because I thought I had more lemons and I didn't. You don't have to use limes, use just lemons. When I cut the watermelon open, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Again, I've never used a watermelon that was soft on the outside. So this is everything nice and prepped. And now I'm going to start adding it to the blender. Like I said, this is a quick video. You know it's hot right now. And if you're home and you want to make something nice and refreshing, this drink is your girl. So I'm going to add the ice. I don't have no measurements, y'all. You fill up your blender halfway up with ice, and then you fill it up to the top with watermelon. You add your sugar or your sweetener, your fresh mint, the lemons, the limes, and I'm just going to blend it up. Alright, so once it's nice and blended, you want to pour it up in whatever glass or anything you want to use. This is quite a bit. I'm not going to drink this whole thing clearly, but I wanted to make it nice and presentable for you guys. Make sure if you make this recipe, tag me. Let me know what you think. It's super refreshing. It's not too sweet. Remember to watch the sugar because watermelon is sweet. And yeah, look at the bits of mint down in there. It was so good, you guys. So make sure you give this one a try. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.